Okay guys, let's get into it. I need a strawberry. Okay. Welcome to my YouTube channel, you guys. I am so happy and overwhelmed. I'm so overwhelmed, you guys. Thank you so much. Like, we hit 100 subscribers in one day. Thank you everybody that subscribed to my channel. I just started this yesterday. I was going to wait until this weekend to post a video because I didn't think I'd have this many subscribers. I know most people get the impression that it's going to be makeup, which of course there'll be that, but on top of that, I'm also going to be doing vlogs and challenges and pranks, and yeah, it's gonna be nice. So you guys made my day. I'm still smiling. My cheeks hurt, but I can't stop smiling. But basically, I just want to welcome everybody to my new journey. If you're new here, feel free to join the fam. I haven't thought of a name to call you guys yet, but if you have any suggestions, please feel free to comment in the description below. Thank you all so much. Love you. In today's video, I've decided to try this trend I saw on TikTok. Yeah, on there's this challenge for blind reacting to nature cereal. So basically it's a healthy cereal. So I'm going to be trying that today and have you guys see the blind reaction to it. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so here I have all my ingredients. In here I have strawberries and blueberries. Here I have pomegranate, coconut water, blackberries and raspberries, and ice. So let's put everything in the bowl and see how it tastes. Okay guys, I had to get a bigger bowl because the one I had originally was too small, but doesn't this look so cute? I'm so ready to try it. Let's see how it tastes. Okay guys, let's get into it. I need a strawberry. Okay. It's cold. It's actually pretty good. I would rate this an 8 out of 10. If you have sensitive teeth, I wouldn't suggest putting the ice because you have sensitive teeth. I don't like the cold, but other than that, it's good stuff. The coconut water kind of tastes like Zigolo. My Zambian friends know better, but yeah, it tastes like Zigolo, but it's quite nice. Lulu, it's actually nice. Can you hear me? Hello? It's nice. It's actually nice. It's just cold, the ice. My teeth are sensitive, but other than that, it's nice. But you had to. This stuff is so good, you guys. But yeah, it's supposed to be the healthy version of regular cereal. And it was trending on TikTok, so I said, let me just get my reaction for my first YouTube video. So good. Solid 8 out of 10, you guys. Highly recommend it. But yeah, thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, please go ahead, subscribe, like, comment what you want to see next. And yeah, peace out, guys.